oras at tatak 3:48.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Liver Aid Silimarin Capsule. Tulong proteksyon at pampalakas sa kalusugan ng atay. It's Liver Lover, boys!
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Roy, taga Santa Rosa, Laguna. Malabo yung mata ko. Sabi ng doktor, may glaucoma daw ako. Pero tinry kong uminom ng Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Inaraw-araw ko, nawala yung glaucoma. Nabis talaga yung Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Santon Plus. Sa mga butika.
All the way from Liverpool, England, four lads, the Mercy Beatles, performs all classic hits of the legendary The Beatles on July 4, 8 p.m. at the theater at Solaire. The Mercy Beatles have been rocking sold-out audiences around the globe since 1999. And they are today rightly regarded as the world's best-loved Liverpool-born Beatles tribute. Buy your tickets now. Available at Ticket World and Solaire box office. This event is brought to you by DMC Philippines, Midas Hotel and Casino, and DZXL 558.
UTI, tuberculosis at ulcer ba ang bumabagabag sa iyo kaya lagi kang absent sa trabaho? Santon Plus Herbal Capsule mo na yan. Ito'y may taglay na antifungal at antibacterial properties na nakalulunas sa mga karamdaman na ang dahilan ay bacteria, gaya ng UTI, TB, ulcer at iba pa. Santon Plus Herbal Capsule, ang epektibong suplemento para ma-maintain ang magandang kalusugan. At ngayon, ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule ay available na po sa South Star Drugstore, The Generics Pharmacy at sa Watson Drugstore. Hanapin lamang yung may tatak na Yes to Health o Doc Samaritan pagbili nyo. Sabayan din ang pag-inom ng Santon Vitamin C, ang non-acidic na vitamin C, safe inumin at pampalakas ng immune system. Kaya ngayon, nag-upgrade ang mga sakit, dapat upgraded din ang pampalakas ng ating resistensya. Mag-Santon Vitamin C, ang vitamin C na pinalakas ng Santon, mabibili sa mga butika. Sa tanong, reservation at order, tumawag lamang po sa 0927-499-1276. Hanapin si Engineer Ray Albesa o magtungo ng personal sa Yes to Health Center, Unit 7 Crown Land Building, 851 EDSA, Mother Ignacia Avenue, Quezon City.
DCXL 558.